This is your sign to stop giving money to someone who fix your pants. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix from this lunch to this lunch. You're gonna need some chalk, some pins, tape to measure, scissors, ruler. Let's go. The desired length is I want to go up to 3 inches, so I'm going to mark it down to 3 inches. I'm gonna roll it up to the line and I'm going to pin it down. Before we sewing it down to this area, I'm gonna take it the lock up like if this. You have some of these, it will make it easier to lock it up for you. We're gonna move it and then we're going to sew the straight line from here. After sewing, I have to go down for like 4 inches. I'm gonna cut it. After done cutting, I'm gonna roll it up and then I'm gonna place it like this and sewing it here. Before we sew this, the side is the problem, so we have to do some pressing here to make it flat, a heavy metal to press it down so we can be able to sew it smoothly. Boom, look at this, so neat and clean. If you like watching this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.